Just a quick heads up. If you sign up for NordVPN using the link below, I may earn a small commission at no extra cost to you. And this helps support the channel so that I can keep making helpful videos, and I really appreciate it. Before we continue, I want to kindly remind you, if you are following this tutorial, please make sure to use my special link to get started. You can find it right below this video, in the description, in the pinned comment, or you can simply scan the QR code you see on your screen. If you are not familiar with how QR codes work, don't worry. I've made a short video right here on this channel showing you exactly how to download and use a QR scanner on your phone. Just look for it in this channel and you see how to install it and use it on your phone. By using my link, you not only get access to the official website and often benefit from exclusive discounts or even deals, because these discounts and deals will make you to pay at a reduced price. But you also help support this channel so that I can keep creating more clear, practical tutorials like this one, all at no extra cost to you. So let us go ahead and follow together step by step. I will show you exactly how you go from that link all the way to the download page, whether you are using a phone or a computer. Let me share my screen with you, please. Okay, assume now that together we are trying to watch the video and then you are also following as you see on screen how to download and install NordVPN. As you are on YouTube, the only thing you need is to focus where you see more. You click on more and then you will open now the place where you have the description of the video, where you see the link where it says try NordVPN. That's where you click. If you like, you can still click on more, but there is no need. When you click there, they will ask you, do you want to leave YouTube? You say yes. You click on leave so that you can move now to the official website of NordVPN. Let's wait for it to load. As we click on leave, it will take us now to the website of NordVPN. And as I said, that special link will make you to really have some discounts and even some good deals after the trial period, if you like to really move on. At this level now, we allow it to load. Once the loading is over, please focus on these three lines up here. These three lines, that's where you are going to click. The three lines, when you click on them, you will land now to this page where you have download VPN. You click on it and you select now your device. In our case here, we are dealing with Android. But if it's iOS, if it's Linux, Windows, whatsoever, we click on Android in our case. And then we move now to where you see now get it from Play Store. You click on get from Google Play. Sorry, we take you now Google Play. We now download it on Android so that we can use it there. That's how easy it is. When you click on it, this page is going to load. You just be patient a bit. Open with what? We are going to open with Google Play Store. You just click on it and then you select just once so that it can take you to Google Play Store for you to download NordVPN. Going from the source, that is our link. We click here now on install and then Google Play. From there now we can install our NordVPN. That is how easy it is to move from that link in the description right to our Google Play. Please just follow this step so that you can benefit from this discount. Thank you very much. To connect this other phone, the same as you are going to see later on, even your computers, you can still use the same account. As it loading, you allow it to load. Then you see how with just one account, NordVPN makes things very easy for you to connect all your devices so that you can be invisible online. And really not only being invisible but protected online. And that's what normally using internet should be. You should not be exposed. NordVPN helps you to do so. That's in installing. You just need to be patient a bit. Just enable and then open. And then as it's loading, we just be patient as NordVPN is loading. Let's just be patient a bit. They say now you need to accept their terms. Click on accept, and then here now you sign up. Or if you like, you can just say you already have an account, you can log in. Depends on you. Either way, you move on. You can log in using that other account, and then you just land on the page where you can begin using it. Or you still sign up, you select that very Gmail we use to create the master account. You just click here, sign in with Google, and then I'm going to select that very Google. Since it's also connected on this device, I will now just scroll down, click on it. That very Google account I use to create the master account, the first login. I will connect all my devices. Let me click on it, and then we move on to protect this other device because we want to really be safe online. That is our aim here, making sure that you browse, but at the same time you are safe, all your data protected online, please. As it loading, just be patient, just click on continue, and you are in. You are in. You don't need to enter any payment, anything here. Just click on quick connect, and you are ready. See that this other device is protected instantly. Click on quick connect, enable. That's it. And then OK, accept. So you can be connected. You click on OK, and you are in. Once you see green connected, means you are ready. That's it, up there connected, you are ready. Thank you.